Alright, this is the snowstorm that we have here right now. It just started about 1 this afternoon, and it's 3:36 right now, and it's getting bad. We're supposed to get 7 to 10 inches of snow by tomorrow. It's worse than I thought it would be out here, so I'm probably going to end up turning around. I got out of my car to clear my side windows off, and I ended up almost falling. There's snow falling everywhere. There's a flare. People just flagging down. I had the camera on. I guess that's why there was a flare. I don't know what happened.